Today I'll show you exactly how to create QR codes for your WordPress website using a super simple plugin method. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to generate QR codes that send your visitors directly to your content, products, or contact info, all customized to fit your branding. Let's dive right in so you can start sharing information with your users in a snap. So the first thing you want to do is install a QR code plugin. This is the easiest and most flexible way to generate and manage QR codes without needing any coding skills. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, look over at the left sidebar and click on Plugins, then go to Add New. In the search bar, simply type in QR Code Generator. You'll see a few popular options come up. Kaya QR Code Generator and QR Code Composer are both reliable choices with good reviews. Pick the one that stands out to you, click Install Now, and then Activate. Now that your plugin is up and running, you'll usually notice a brand new menu in your dashboard, or sometimes the option appears right inside your post or page editor. Let's say you want to add a QR code to a specific page or product. Go ahead and edit that page. You'll see a new QR code meta box or a widget courtesy of your fresh plugin. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to choose what kind of data your QR code will link to. Most folks use a URL, but you can also set it to deliver contact details, an email address, or other info, just depends on your goal. Enter the details in the appropriate fields. Imagine you want to provide a quick way for mobile users to visit a sale page or download a menu. Adding the right URL here is crucial because the QR code becomes your digital shortcut. But we're not just stopping at the basics. Most QR code plugins let you sprinkle in some personality too. You can often adjust the size, tweak the colors to match your site, or even add your business logo right in the center. These little touches not only align everything with your branding, but they also add a spark of professionalism and make your QR code instantly recognizable to your customers. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to put that QR code on display. Plugins typically generate a shortcode for you, something that looks like Kaya QR code. You can paste this right where you'd like the QR code to appear, whether that's on a product page, in a sidebar widget, or even embedded in a blog post. Some plugins let you drag a widget into a sidebar or enable automatic display in certain post types. So you've got options, pick the one that fits your layout. Before you throw a parade though, let's make sure everything's working as expected. Grab your phone, open the camera or any QR scanning app and scan the code you just created. Make sure it takes you exactly where you want visitors to go. If something's off, double check the URL or settings. This happens to the best of us, so don't worry if you need to tweak and test a few times. Once everything checks out, go ahead and click Publish or Update on your page or post. Your new QR code is now live for the world and your audience to use. How easy was that? Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you have any questions about QR codes, plugins, or WordPress in general, just drop a comment below. I read and reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable WordPress tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.